Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stephany with a Y. Don't forget to subscribe. And for today's video, we have a Sunday reset, but to keep it a buck with y'all, it's been a 3-day reset. But nonetheless, we're still uploading it so you guys can see exactly how I get my ish together. So first things first, we're doing a shower routine, and just to be clear, this is not an everything shower. We're just cleaning our body, hydrating, and smelling good. And lastly, shout out to the girls who do this on a regular, because this was so hard to film. And to all my dry skin girlies, please make sure you're applying your oils immediately after your shower. Like, I'm talking about your body is still dripping wet. This Topicals body serum has been going viral enough to influence me to buy it. However, I'm not consistent enough to actually say if it works or not, but I do like it being an addition to my routine, especially because I do have textured skin. Also, you're not supposed to rub perfume in together. I'm still trying to get out of that habit. But this combo, delish. If you say anything about my dookie braids, you're definitely anti-black. But no, seriously, I'm just trying to stay consistent on my hair care, which means just throwing in whatever braids or twists and keeping it clean and moisturized as much as possible. Because honestly, once I got these wigs in, I just get lazy, y'all. The fact that I took apart my setup just to put a pink mat is crazy. But anyways, this is also not a tutorial, FYI. This is just how I remove my acrylics. So step 1 is to warm up a bowl of water, then put a smaller bowl with just acetone in it and dip your hands in there until, like, I don't know, 1 to 2 hours. But in between each interval, I do try to drill off as much as I can. This should have been the first step, honestly, but nonetheless, I really love this nail clipper because it has a guide so that each fingernail is cut off the same amount, and everything will also be linked in the description box below. And shout out to Mama Dukes for real for washing my hair. She be adding a little massages too. Yes sir, I am blessed, thank you. Bent over the kitchen sink is not really it though, but I was in a rush at the same time.
I do my mommy hair.
You do my hair too?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't trust no one, so I got lines, got too busy. Nico never move Nikki, sweatsuit Nike, sweatsuit PG. If I get beaky, ring, call up PG, I'm neatly. Used to look up to a man from certain ends with tune on repeat. Thought he was a bad boy, then till a man got bitch, and man went PC. Man went PC, just like Ella and Windows, some man Windows. Before I was ever around Kendos, I was in ends with drinking up Benzos. The woman I do end up with has to get backed out just like Munchie. Have no pretentious thing when I know this room gets bumpy. Going to the broski J, we got different names in different countries. 3 raps in a whip and we beat that case where man is way too comfy. I don't do well with people making disses and making threats. Boy, man got flown like private jets for way less. I know you try to get one down on us, ever since then it's been stress. Cause you know the reps them all you want and we always pay them best. Wassa, just like the Cody's press, I don't do no pulsar. Link with Skull and cousin Jamie, and y'all them deaf on Gaza. Pasha, Sasha, pissed I was way too young at the time for slashings. You niggas spend too much time on captions, not enough time on action. Pick one man with slaps that's rapping, I bet he don't want no clashes. The LB pouch on chest is just for fashion, niggas just acting. Are you dumb or stupid? The wheels on the roses, chromas, headshot domas. Just checked in at a hotel floor that we all got golden aromas. OVO XO link up and a drink of me and the drillers.
This is one of my go-to hair masks that I will always do, especially if I have the time to do. I've done a video on this before where it helps grow my edges. I'll link that above for you as well. And it's also known as the Cardi B hair mask because she made it super popular. But nonetheless, for all hair types, I'm telling you, this is it. It makes my curls look so luscious, and it don't usually look like that on the regular, just so you know.
Outside, stepping out of line, get outline. Ain't I'm tired of stateside. Bring your man down when it takes sides. Try to get safe, I felt like Lakeside. Prince, I carry that last name, that shit stays on me like bad names. Guys just lined up brand new hunting. In this style, I'm that team. Everyone I know has code names. Anyone I'm beefing with is a no name. Niggas can't even win home games, they just gotta fall in line.
Honest, you're modest, I like it. You stay down and you the brightest.
So for my natural nail prep, all I do is use an iron strength nail polish because I do have brittle nails. And 2, that hand cream by Shea Moisture smells really nice. And lastly, a cuticle oil because duh, you gotta hydrate them. And honestly, my manicurist said I have the best and softest hands ever. And she's a nail tech. Like, hello? Thanks for the compliment.
You're my safe haven, I need it all alone. And you're my dime piece, and I can't take less than once. You the one. Trinity, you like 3 in 1. Ratio 10 to 1.
Hey guys, so obviously we were not able to finish everything on the to-do list, but it is the next day and I did finish up on the nails. Very short, basic, whatever. I obviously don't know how, but I did hurt my pinky. But I'm thinking that when I was cutting the fake nail off before dissolving it, that I clipped the, you know, that extra skin that grows with your nails. I don't know the name of that, but I think I cut that off. So yeah, the little stubbies are polished, but a little sore. For the rest of the to-do list, which is just cleaning my Invisalign tray, tweezing my brows, brightening my teeth, and my face mask. Everything will be done for tonight, and I decided that I'm going to hit the gym tonight. I really need to let off some stress and get back into this healthy routine anyways. So we are going to the gym tonight together, and then after the gym we will finish off everything on the to-do list, because all of that should not take even more than like 2 hours max, like literally. And as you guys notice, what is that? Sorry for that bug intermission, y'all. Okay. So today's plan, do the rest of the to-do list and also hit the gym, get back on our grind. So yeah, as far as my hair, I washed out the mask last night. It made my hair feel so good, so soft. It is in mini twists, looking puffy, you know, 4C crazy-ish. But matter of fact, I take that back. 4C and crazy should not be in the same sentence. Anyways, it's a 4C. It's looking 4C. So anyways, for the gym, I'm most likely just gonna throw on a wig and my Nike hat that I always go to the gym with, and where I was thinking to look cute because I've been looking so crazy and I've been feeling kind of ugly. However, it is that time of month and I just don't feel like wearing anything tight. So yeah, there's that. But yeah, I just wanted to catch you guys up to speed, because you're probably thinking this is no longer Sunday reset. It's the next day. What's going on? What's she doing? So yeah, there's that. But let's just do our browsy brows and then we'll hit the gym. Also, FYI, it is my baby girl's birthday. So yeah, that's all I want to say, I guess. Okay, see you guys soon. Bye. This is not a how to tweeze your brows. This is just how I do it. I'm only removing the hairs that are really bothering me, getting in the way. I am still trying to grow out my eyebrows a bit more, so this is just like a cleanup for me. And please do not use obnoxious huge scissors like that. I just, you know, was pressed on time. If you have Invisalign trays, you should be cleaning them pretty frequently. I'm not sure if it's daily, but I mean, I don't do it daily. This product is something I got off of Amazon. You can also get at your local drugstore, and then they also have like Invisalign designated cleaning solution, but those are just much more expensive, so ain't nobody really got time for that. And so yeah, really quick, but I had my man try these star pimple patches and he approves, and they work just as good as the $20 ones I get at Sephora. Anyways, on to the brightening hack, which is just some oil pulling. If you haven't been on TikTok, like, it's going viral basically. So you just swish this around in your mouth until it becomes liquidish, and the longer you do it, the better. So hence why I'm doing it for so long, to the point where my jaw was hurting. But I've also heard that you're only supposed to do this once a week, so I haven't really seen much progress because I keep forgetting to do it, but I'll keep you guys updated on how it turned out for me. I forgot to tell him to put that in the trash because apparently it can clog up the drains, even the toilet. But it's not really an aftertaste, just coconut. And I personally hate coconut, so let us brush our teeth pronto. Also, if you didn't know, Benefit Cosmetics now does skincare, and honestly their mask is one of my favorites, especially for detoxifying or taking out any breakouts that I have going on. Like, I literally love this stuff.
You've seen all my mistakes, so look me in my eyes. 'Cause if you let me, here's what I'll do. I'll take care of you. I've loved and I've lost. Can't deny that I want you, but I lie if I have to. 'Cause you don't say you love me to your friends when they ask you, even though we both know that you do.
So now we're just switching to our favorite, most comfy pajamas, putting on our scent of the night, and calling it a good night. And I thank you all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.
You hate me.